Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Zoe Jane and I love designing inside of Canva. I specialise in helping new businesses, educators, coaches create a beautiful branded content for their social media designs inside using Canva. And in today's tutorial, I'm excited to show you how to use Canva's TypeCutOut app. It's really fun. It's a dynamic tool that helps you make your text pop inside your designs. So let's jump in and explore how you can use the TypeCutOut app inside Canva to elevate your social media graphics.
So here I am inside Canva and I'm going to show you an app called TypeCutOut. So if we go down the side where we've got your home button and you have apps and click on there and you'll come to this piece of information on the window. TypeCutOut for me is here, but if you don't have it here, you can search for the app inside this search box. TypeCutOut is a fantastic, fun app inside Canva where you can type any message and have any colours behind it or a photograph that you've downloaded or a pattern you've downloaded onto your computer to go behind the text of your choice. So I'm going to use it in a new design. I'm going to use it in an Instagram post square. So click here. So in the main text, we can write anything we like. So if I put I love Canva in there, you can press enter if you want your words stacked on top of each other. But for now, I'm going to keep them in a line. You can select your font that you wish to have here, and it's all in alphabetical order. So do choose one that's nice and chunky, or if you can, have it on brand. So your customers, your people that are following you, understand that this is you and your business and your account. Because if you do something completely off the wall, they won't recognise you, and you want people to recognise who you are. So here we have the tick, because I've clicked it, and we can go back out of the fonts section. And we can see here it has selected my words that I've typed and the font of my choice. The colours behind the writing at the moment are from what Canva has naturally put there. It is not my choice. So now I'm going to choose my own background. This needs to be downloaded onto your computer. So this is a pattern that I created using the elements inside Canva. I downloaded it to my computer as a JPEG. So it's in my downloads folder. Click and open. So it's now going to download my colours. There we go. I love Canva. Now it has a dark background preview and a light background. For me, the light background is much better contrast than a dark background because I have a navy blue thick stripe in my pattern, and that's just, the contrast with black is terrible. So I love Canva. So now we can add to the design. And here we go, it just pops it straight in there. To make it larger, click on a corner and drag. Click and drag. Now, if you click and drag a side, you're going to start losing your words. So it's best try not to touch that at all. Otherwise, you're going to have it cropped and you want to see the whole of the words. And as you can see, it's very, very close. So the box that it's contained is so close to the lettering. Now, if you suddenly think, oh, I wish I did put it on 2 lines, press the duplicate button, which is like the two pages together. Click duplicate, you get a second one. And what I recommend doing is grabbing a side and it will just crop it out for you. So now I don't need the word Canva here, and I can have the word Canva there. I love Canva, and now I can put this anywhere I wish, and I can put that one anywhere I wish, and I can also make one word a lot bigger than Canva if I wanted to. And that is the TypeCutOut app inside Canva. Any questions? Pop them in the comments below.
If you'd like more tips and tricks on how to use Canva for your business, then press the subscribe button and you'll find me doing more and more and more tutorials about how to use Canva.